Look today at the SuperPad 3. It's also known as the flytouch3 Android tablet PC. It uses an Inform X220 CPU running at 1 GHz. It's got 512 megabytes of RAM built in, and this particular model has 4 gigabytes of ROM, but you've obviously got the SD card expansion, so you can add up to, I think, about 32 gigabytes. Yeah, so just going to unbox the device for you now. Okay, you've got a screen protector there, first of all, and then here's the tablet itself. Just take that out. Okay, I'll put that to one side for the moment. Just show you, you've got the manual in here. You've got the free earphones that come with it. Quite good, standard 3.5mm jack there. You've got the GPS antenna, so you can use the device as a GPS, sat-nav, Google Maps, that sort of thing. Okay, and here, which taken out the box already, sorry, is the power cable with the UK adapter on it there that you're going to need. Okay, pretty standard. So let's move that along to one side and take a look at the actual device. So actually taking the device out of its packaging, you can see it right there. First impressions are, it looks quite sleek, nice looking device, really thin. You can compare it to my fingers there. Yep, it's really light as well, so a lot lighter than I thought it would be actually. Take a look at the external ports it's got. It's got 2 USB slots, you can see, and micro SD card slot there. I've got a micro SD card already inside there. Okay, you've got a mini HDMI output. So with the mini HDMI output, you can actually output 1080p video directly to your TV or projector or whatever video device you want to use with it, and yep, the device handles up to 1080p video without stuttering or anything like that, which is quite impressive. You've got the Ethernet input there, so you can run that straightly off your router internet connection. You've got the power input there on that side. Okay, and here you've got the power on button, volume up and down, menu and home buttons. You've got a couple of speakers there as well. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the device on. You can see it starting up there. Doesn't take too long to start up. I mean, once it's started up as well, you can just send it to sleep. You don't have to reboot it each time. Okay, and there you can see it's loaded up. Okay, just slide it to unlock it, and there you go. That's what you're greeted with on the home page as soon as you start it up. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the main menu. These are the apps that you've actually got installed on your device, and you can see as well, obviously the Android system is a 3D based system, so you can see it looks really cool when you're scrolling to the left and right. Get that nice 3D box, and the 3D actually works really great on this device as well. Okay, now we're going to look at the Android tablet in action. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, this is like the home screen. This is where all your apps are. It's quite responsive. It doesn't use a capacitive screen like you would see on the iPad or a lot of the mobile devices out there, but it uses resistive screen technology. But it's actually quite responsive. I mean, I'm just tapping slightly along and you can see it's responding to that quite well. Okay, first application I'm going to show you is the Amazon Kindle app. It's a favourite of mine because you can use it as an ebook reader, the tablet. So I'll just load that up. Okay, you can see my books there have been automatically loaded up. These are just a couple of books I downloaded free from the Amazon Kindle store. Okay, and you can see your book has loaded up there. I mean, it is a little bit slow, I have to say, when you're turning the page, but that doesn't seem like too much of a problem. And I think that's more to do with the Amazon Kindle app rather than the tablet itself. And then you can just change the orientation and, yeah, read it the other way around as well, just to show you. Yeah, and it works pretty well, so quite pleased about that. Okay, just exit the Kindle app here. I'll just show you the Android market next, just to show you that you can download your apps from there. Those are some of the apps that come up straight away. You've got games as well. You've got a lot of free games with the Android market. You've got a lot of free applications as well. There are Office applications available as well. So, yeah, you've got a lot of choice there. Okay, just exit out of the Android market. Okay, next I'm going to be taking a look at how well the device runs with video. So I'm going to go straight to my SD card and load up one of the videos that I have on there. Okay. Okay, this is 300 movie. So just wanted to show you the quality of the picture, show you that it runs nicely running video. Fast forwards there. Okay, and you've got a nice sized screen there as well, so I mean you can watch your films with a nice sized screen like this. You can also plug your earphones in so you can watch it when you're at work or on a train or something like that. Okay, I'm just going to exit out of the video player now. Show you episode of The Simpsons that I downloaded to the device. So you can watch your own TV series as well. Okay, so you can see that the device runs video really well. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to show what the device is like when you're browsing the internet. Okay, just start it up there. And go to msn.co.uk. That's always a good site to just test out. Okay, as you can see, the page is loaded up pretty much quite quickly. You can navigate the site quite good as well. Another thing, because this is a 10-inch screen, you can read the text quite clearly as well on the websites. I mean, I've got an Android smartphone device, and because of the smaller screen, I mean, reading the text, you always have to zoom in and out. And I mean, you can still zoom in and zoom out with this device, but you don't really have to because you've got a large size screen. Okay, just showing you the navigation works really well. Okay, just go to a couple more websites for you just to show you what it's like when you're surfing the internet on this. Okay, wait, I haven't even pressed enter there, sorry. There we go. That's it. Okay, just going to go to Wikipedia, show you that. As you can see, Wikipedia loaded up there. Just scroll through, you can see some of the headline articles, featured articles, etc. Yep, and you can like scroll up and down the page quite well. You can go fast or slow. Yeah, it's really responsive. I'm quite happy with the performance on the internet. Okay. Next app I'm going to take a look at is Angry Birds. I know it's really popular, everyone loves Angry Birds, so can't really show the device without showing that. Okay, it's the wrong way around. Okay, there you can see, it's loaded up. I'm just going to go straight into the game. Pick one of these levels here. Okay, yep, it's really responsive. I mean, it plays the games really well, so I'm quite pleased about that. Okay, just show you an example there. Okay, and you can see that the tablet is quite responsive. I mean, there's not much lag. The touchscreen itself, I mean, you can see it's you don't have to touch too hard to actually get it to respond, which is what I like about it. Okay, so you can see that the gravity sensor on the device is really precise and really sensitive, so you could play even some of these really sensitive games on it without a problem.